Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. God bless you guys for always checking on me. Much love to you all. This video you're about to watch is about a lady. His own boyfriend want to propose to her on the day of Valentine. She just grown mad. Oh my god, this is so strange and it's not funny at all. How can this be the day of Valentine and a guy proposed to her? The next day she just grown mad. When you look at this video very well, even the guy have not placed the ring on her finger before she starts this old drama of it. I don't know if I would call it a drama. If you watch the video, this boyfriend of it, the boyfriend, he have not placed the ring on her finger. She just stretched her hand, and the guy wanted to placed it on her finger. This one surprised me. So people are saying this guy is a Yahoo. If anything just happened in that country called Nigeria, they will start blaming people. You are into Yahoo, you are this. Guys, what do you think about this video? Do you think that this guy is a Yahoo guy or not? Drop your comment below. But as for me, I don't think so. This guy is not Yahoo. I don't know. But I don't think that he want to use this girl for something. Because definitely, if he replying that, oh, I want to use this girl for Yahoo or something like that, she can't come to crowd like this. He can't come to crowd to propose to a lady when you know that you want to use her for something and you know the reaction, the way the girl will react. Definitely you go into trouble something. Now you will go into trouble. Even if he is innocent now, they are still going to investigate him. They are still going to, carry and go where he's supposed to be. So what do you think about this video? Do you think this guy is a Yahoo guy or is free? As for me, this guy, I think maybe she's possessed. Some spirit that will be waiting for you. My God, people really need to be careful in this life. They need to be careful in this world we are. A lot of wicked people, they surround you, but you won't know. You not gonna know if they surround you, if they guide you like guiding agent. And what is really going on? Why are we black? Why our heart is so dark? Guys, you all really need to be careful. If you know you are moving out with someone that is maybe the person is so, anything you do, the person is jealous, just stay clear for that person. Stay clear. Okay? Stay clear. A friend, they are living together, poison this guy. He poisoned him, and even the guy noticed. He said somebody temper the food. It is because na a friend. Now he chop the food. You know say the person put poison, then he can't turn the food. He put pepper. Guys, please, we really need to be careful. Anything we are doing on earth, a lot of things is happening. I will drop the video for you guys to watch so that you will see yourself how people are heartless. How can you put something? How can you do that? How can you put something in your friend food? What did this guy did to you that you can't even tell him so that he will ask for forgiveness? Oh yeah, Kero. You guys like my brother think this guy is from Akbo. So this guy is a corner. They say after he come up for the hospital, he enemy never first well. As he reach us, he never to take now person put food for her eat. But then I see the same friend put spiritual attack for a body who corner. Guys, please be careful of who you call your friend. So I'm going to stop this video here and I will drop the video for you guys to watch. Today is the first. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment.
My people, na very terrible thing now they happen. You see this guy one I see for this video now. So this guy just died. He died this morning around 10 o'clock. This guy now from Agbo, from Ute Okbo, and his name na Chuks. This guy just died. They just terminate this guy life. They just poison him. He cook food finish. He just come. He say and say they temper with the food, but he just feel say na him friends them. Na him temper with the food. Like person cook food finish, because when they keep people together, I can't just be saying our friends. You understand? The guy he chop food finish, if belle con they swell up, and he just end this guy life. The guy just die. Food when he belle just they just poison him. Put poison for the food, damage this guy life because of jealousy, because of wickedness. When they live with Bini and Yoruba people, they just poison this guy, kill this guy life. Everything just go like that. Wickedness. People will just be wicked for no reason. People will just be wicked for no reason. The way things they sometimes very painful, very very painful. Now waiting end this guy life. Now so in your just finish with that. People you just they say friend. There's no friend. People they wonder when people they say friend. They say from one misunderstanding, this guy we don't even run come off for Germany because of trouble where they trouble him. When he sees everything don't come down again, they come the try settle all those. He can't still come. He just come now they just kill him. Now be this one food when person cook. Please be very careful. I advise people to be very careful. Ndị ka elehe na elehe agba na nkịtị name video so that onye se ka onye ka contact me, because this thing was supposed to chop not be waiting person go just keep quiet. People need to investigate this issue, put hand into this issue, please, because this big guy when you see so now never born one, he not get any picking, he not get anything, they just damage in life, they just kill him like that. It not just make sense. It not just make sense. Wickedness. We dey talk about our government, meanwhile our people wicked. We dey talk say our politicians, this one do, we wicked ourselves. We dey heartless ourselves. We not love ourselves. No love. Nigerians not get love. Nigerians are too wicked. Extremely too wicked. Wickedness. Our own wickedness this smell. Our wickedness this smell. Wickedness no good. Wickedness no good.